Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab under construction. Okay, what chord is this? All right, remember this. This was the outside. We had the board. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to have a whole bunch of other space. Look in here. Okay, it's a Murphy bed actually. It'd be pushed up against the wall, and then I'll be able to stand, and I'll have my board up here, and we'll be able to write things down and have a real good time with everything. Okay, just so you know, that's what's going on. So this is coming out, you know, and the guitars, everything else will sort of stay in place. You can see what it looks like. All right, I hope everything went well. Just a quick little thing, remember the bar with this? I hope that's working out well for you. Okay, just a little quick thing like that. All right, we'll see you. Hopefully we'll all be done by the next video. And anyway, that's what's going on. If you subscribe to this, I'd be happy also. All right, so listen, any questions, comments below. Have a nice day.